acquired a Skydio 2 to try out. What we're going to do is we're going to try and take it through the adventure trail here. I do have it set on no height restriction so it can fly under trees and such. I'm not sure how it's going to do once we get in the woods. It's supposed to be able to dodge trees. The obstance avoidance is supposed to be better than anything on the market. Let's just see what happens. And I also have this set to where it should be following me from the front, as this drone can follow you from any direction, from front, side, and rear. We're going to be getting into some pretty heavily wooded area here in a second. Okay, it looks like it did lose me momentarily when I went around that tree. Let's see if it'll, yep, there it goes. It's back on track. Okay, now that it's reacquired me, we're going to go ahead and get out into the open and see how she does. No, I'm not liking the way it's flying, so I'm going to go ahead and make a real quick adjustment to the drone through the phone app. This is the first time I've ever used a Skydio drone, so it is a trial and error. Hey, if you guys have any suggestions on this drone, any settings that you might recommend, I'd appreciate it. Leave them down there in the comments below if you can. Alright, let's try this again. Is where I've got it set where I think it'll work the best. There we go. See how it's kind of going underneath the trees, and it is actively tracking me from the front more than the sides. Setting this up to where it was more of a fixed tracking might be a little bit better in these woods. And look at that. He went underneath it. It really did. It's doing a great job tracking, especially in these woods. Oops, lost the trail. It's doing better than I am right now as far as following the trail. Alright, so it's locked on to me. But that's about it. Right there, it loses me for some weird reason. And it'll automatically start landing here in a second. Anyways, hey, I just want to say thanks for watching. If you haven't had a chance yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for future notifications, and as always, ride safe.